Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, I'll walk you through a new AI tool I found that is a hack to use GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and Stability AI for free. The name of this AI tool is Ninjatool. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button for more valuable content. Also, like and share this video to support this channel. Don't forget to comment to let us know what you feel about this new tool. Ninjatool is your super AI assistant where you can get access to all the most powerful AI models in one place. Now you can use Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Stability AI with all the latest models. Let me show you how to get started using this powerful tool to create content. One AI Chat Arena. Ninjatools AI acts as an AI chat arena that brings together leading AI models, GPT-4, Claude 3 Opus, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Stable Diffusion 3 in one seamless, groundbreaking platform. With this, you can get unparalleled insights from multiple top-tier AI models simultaneously. Ninjatools empowers users to create stunning, professional-quality visuals effortlessly, even without prior design experience. Create eye-catching social media posts, dynamic marketing materials, or engaging presentations. This tool streamlines the creative process with advanced features and user-friendly design elements. With Ninjatools, you can also generate original tunes to inspire your creativity better than most musicians. Ninjatool AI is your go-to solution for crafting content that feels naturally human and engaging. From drafting professional emails for your daily routine to completing complex academic tasks, this versatile AI tool has you covered. Whether you're tackling work correspondence, essays, or creative projects, Ninjatool AI ensures your writing is clear, polished, and authentic. So, that's it for today's video about Ninjatools. To use this tool, I have included the link to their website in the description below. Kindly follow the link and start using Ninjatools for your content. Once again, support this channel by liking and sharing this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the button now and also turn on the notification button for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.